Bismillah, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aryo, and then in this video I will show you how to build a contour data or contour um, from Google Earth Pro and then to GPS visualizer, then to Excel or even TXT, and then after that we can import it to Civil 3D. Okay, let's get into it. First, make sure you have installed the Google Earth Pro. If you are not, then install it first. I think there is a tutorial on YouTube, I think maybe to on how to install it, and you can install it on the Google Earth website, I think. And then after you have installed the Google Earth Pro, I want to make sure you go to the tools and the options, and then choose the for the show lat or long. Choose the universal transverse Mercator or Mercator, yeah. After that, click apply and OK. The other setting or options, just keep it as default. You can keep it as default, yeah. After that, you can choose whatever area. For example, just don't choose the C. For example, I want to choose this area here. Okay, and the length of the contour, I think around 3 kilometers for the minimum. Yeah, 3 kilometers for the minimum. So I'm just gonna use the ruler here and draw the line, and I'm gonna choose around this up to or more than 3 kilometers. Yeah, for example, 4.02 kilometers. Then click again on your left mouse. Click again. After that, you can click save. And then OK. After that, you can go to the add path. Then name it contour. Click. Don't click it first, but draw the point here like this. Just hold your mouse like this. The more it get close, or the more it have more points, the more the data will be detailed. So I will be just using like this. Yeah, just like this, bro. Okay. Okay, for example, like this. After that, you can click OK, and then save place as contour, yeah. And then save. I want to replace this. Then after that, you go to the your web browser, and then type gpsvisualizer.com or whatever, GPS visualizer. And then first you're gonna open the basic like this, and then choose the convert to plain text and choose the files from before. And this choose the file contour, and then show advanced, and then output UTM coordinates. Choose the yes. Okay, then you can convert it. After that, you can download the data, and then after that, in this data we don't have, or this data don't have the z, yeah, or the altitude. So just basically gonna choose this GPS visualizer. To access it, just go to this home of gpsvisualizer.com, and then um, see right here, scroll down. After you see this new DEM files, and then choose this elevation data text or link text, yeah. Choose it. After you choose that, you can also upload the same file, this file, to get the elevation data. After that, you can go for the output, just plain text, and then convert and add elevation. Why I do this? Because this side of this elevation data don't have the UTM data, so I'm just basically just gonna collaborate them both. After that, you can go to the Excel to make it more easier. After that, open the data. It's data here. Select all and then Ctrl C and copy it here, and delete the type, UTM zone, latitude, longitude, and then color, opacity, width, name, this camel folder. Click right on your mouse and then click delete. After that, you can also delete this UTM easting and northing, then delete. Cell up, and after that, you can also copy the data, this data here, and choose only the, or sorry, I'm just gonna choose it right here, and then choose the altitude, Ctrl X for cut the data, and then paste it here, and delete this guy, delete the altitude meter, and then delete this. Okay, delete, and then save. Okay, save, for example, what save as, browse, to the Teknik Jalan Raya, Teknik Jalan Raya, and then click open. Then that's it, save here. Okay, but sometimes it will not work because I don't know. Because in this video I will just use the txt file, but make sure your txt file is can be preview, yeah, unless it will not be work, or unless it will not be working. So here I have the txt that works to import the data. So I'm just gonna choose this guy, choose this data, and copy, and then delete this data, delete this data. After that, you delete it and paste it. Then you're gonna save it. Okay. After that, you go open the Civil 3D. I'm gonna just close it. Close this one also. And then go to Civil 3D. I already opened this. After that, go. You're using the Civil 3D workspace. After that, go to the Insert tab and then click Points from File. After that, you're gonna add the data from the txt file. If the symbol is like this, that the data can be used or accessed. So let's get to the next step. After that, because I use the only easting, yeah, easting, northing, and z, or the elevation, I'm gonna choose the E and Z, right, like this option or choice, and then click OK. After that, you're gonna wait a little bit and wait go to the tool space here, and I'm gonna close this. And in the points, yeah, or point groups, no, I think in the points, in all points, you're gonna make sure to, sorry, yeah, in points you're gonna create, oh, sorry, in point groups, yeah, click new. And for the point label style, just keep it as none. For the point style, I will just use the basic one. Click OK, and I click apply and OK. After that, you can go to the surfaces, click right on your mouse and then create surface. After that, you can choose the style. For the contours is 1 meter and 5 meters. So 1 is for the minor and 5 meter is for the major, right? Click OK. Don't choose this because it will be like this, so be careful. Create surface and then um, choose the contours 1 meter and 5 meters background, yeah. Click OK and then click OK. After that, you can go to the surfaces, surface 1, and then to the definition, and then go to the point groups and then click right on your mouse, then click left on your mouse, click add, and then choose the all points, click apply, and then OK. Then after that, the contour will be generated, I think, and then go to the top of this top, and then that's it, guys. The contour will be generated like this. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to your friend or whatever, or a person that can be or need this tutorial. Thank you for listening. I hope it helps, and thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.